Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Infiniti Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.